Part 2 of the 1965 Fender Deluxe, the AB763 amplifier, which we're repairing, refurbing. If you remember from the first video, someone had swapped out the first filter cap with a whacking great 47 microfarad, which is probably a little bit more than the GZ34 needs to see. So I put a 20 microfarad Sprague blue atom in, so we've got 4 20 microfarad caps in now. The transformer bolts were slightly loose. I've checked all the hardware, and if you remember, it had the wrong tube in for the tremolo. It had a 12A Y7 in, so we've put a 12A X7 in, and the tremolo is now working fine. Just pause the video while I turn it over. And tidied up a lot of the sort of bad connections where they'd cut out the signal coupling caps and twisted the wires back on. And tidied up a lot of the old flux, and someone had replaced this cap, the bias cap, with a whacking great 150 microfarad cap. We put the correct value in. We've reflowed the chassis grounds, cleaned a lot of the old flux up, and switch it on. Now there's a problem with it, problem remaining, and I think it's the reason why someone blanket soldered the whole entire board. Let me show you. So that's on now, it's out of standby. And if you flex the board, you can get it to... Can you hear that? So I think, reading between the lines, that's the reason why someone's reflowed all the board. But I found the fault, it's nothing to do with that. And if I measure between this point and ground, see, we've got a good connection, 0.039, but as I flex the board, that becomes open circuit. If I can get it to do it, there, it's become open circuit. And the problem is simply this chassis connection down here needs resoldering, so we'll do that. In fact, I'll redo all the ground connections on this brass plate. There's another one there that's very poorly soldered from a previous visit. Other work done. I remember the power cable was all flapping about. Well, I've fitted the correct strain relief. That's all done. Tested all the valves. So I just got to see to those ground connections and put it on an extended test, and it should be good to go. But for now, thanks again for watching.